And now for the taste test.
Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen and my channel. Thank you for being here today. I'm going to share with you a crispy chicken wing which is oven baked with a really spicy hot sauce to go with it. I hope you try this recipe and I'm sure you will definitely like it. Do subscribe to my channel and stay connected. So let's get started.
Okay, so here I'm using about 1.5 kgs of chicken wings. I have separated the drumettes, wingettes, or flats. So let's get our seasoning ready now. Just make sure that the chicken wings are really dry. I have dried them properly with a paper towel. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, some fresh ground pepper, maybe about 2 teaspoons again, two teaspoons of salt. Let's give this a good mix and make sure that the dry rub is coated well on the chicken wings. And now for that extra crispy chicken wing, we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of baking powder, not baking soda, and make sure that this is aluminium free. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Let's give this a good mix. You want to sieve this powder over the chicken wings. Mix well till all the chicken wings is well coated. Let's put this on our baking tray. You don't want to overcrowd the tray. Make sure there's space between the wings. Ideally, if you can leave this chicken overnight in the fridge, definitely it's going to give a little more crispier chicken. But even this works pretty well. Maybe even if you're going to just leave it for about 1 or 2 hours is fine. Or if you just want to bake it away immediately, it still comes out very well. Now this goes into a preheated oven. You can bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or about 250 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes. For this hot sauce, I will leave the ingredients in the description box. Do have a look at it. After 30 minutes, flip the side and allow it to bake for another 30 minutes. Do try this sauce, guys. It's really yummy, hot and spicy. Buffalo wing sauce. This is our chicken wings, well baked and really crispy, guys. I'm sure you're going to try this. You can try this wings recipe. It's really yum. And to go with it, you can also have some coleslaw. I will leave the link in the description below. Do give it a try. Thank you guys for watching and stay connected. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. Bye-bye. See you next week.